Hey, friends! I've got something awesome to share today, a product that really impressed me. Let's get started. First things first, the design. It's sleek, minimalist, and oh so modern. And here's the kicker, the price. It's way more affordable than you'd expect for something of this quality. Not to mention, it's incredibly versatile. Perfect for home, office, or gifting, it's a real multitasker. Want to know more? Check the description for details. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cool finds. See you in the next